Hold it steady. Bring it down easy now. Looks good. Set it right there. Watch the edge. Lower it slow. Okay, set it down. Back it up straight. Keep coming. A little more to your left. Hold it right there. All right, hold it right there. Bring the chute up a little bit. Easy now, hold it steady. All right, bring it down right there. Hold it right there. Little to the left. Easy now, set her down. All right, easy now. Bring it down slow. Hold it steady right there. that the last of it?
Just this toolbox and the shovels.
All right, let's get it loaded up. We did good work here, gentlemen. Looks perfect. Let's get this packed up. Hard work paid off. This house looks great in the afternoon sun.
All right, let's pack it up.
Another one finished. Time to pack it up. Long day, but worth it. We did good work here.
Yeah.
They're gonna love it. Time to roll out. Hard work paid off. Looks sharp.
That garage door finish is spot on.
All right, let's get these secured. Another one finished. The owners are gonna love this porch. They really maximized the space on this lot. Good work today, team.
We did good work here.
Yeah, the owners are gonna love it. She stands proudly all right. Job well done, yeah.
Looks perfect.
We did good work here.
Yeah, the clients are gonna love it. Picture perfect. Now that is a beautiful house.
Yeah.
We should all be proud of this one.
Yeah.
Definitely one for the portfolio. Looks great in this light. Another one finished.
Yeah. The client is going to be very happy with this.
We did good work here. We really did. The clients are gonna love it.
Make sure you get the roof line from this angle. The trim work really stands out in this light.
Got it. It looks perfect.
Looks incredible in this light, doesn't it?
Absolutely. High quality work all around.
Make sure you get a shot of the roof line.
Got it. This is definitely one for the portfolio.
The shadows really highlight the facade. Beautiful work, guys.
Yeah, looks perfect.
The trim work on this porch is perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the windows look amazing in this light. Another one finished. Looks great. Best one yet. Now that is a quality build.
Yeah.
Best looking house on the block.
Yes.
Definitely one to be proud of. That is one fine looking house. Best one yet. Hard to believe this used to be an empty lot. Turned out beautifully. Yeah.
It really did. They're gonna be very happy here.
Look at that roof line. Absolutely perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, we really nailed this one. Looks great in this light.
Another quality build finished.
Yeah, the clients are gonna love it.
Hard work paid off. Beautiful craftsmanship.
Absolutely stunning. I'm getting some photos for the portfolio.
Another one finished.
Looks good from every angle.
It really does. The clients are gonna love this.
Another one finished. Feels good.
Yeah, yeah, it turned out perfect.